Add a splash of colour to your kitchen with this stylish kettle from Tefal. With a full 360-degree rotating base, it's ideal for right and left-handers. The fluted design features a premium high-gloss finish and an eye-catching retro style, ensuring that it will stand out on your kitchen worktop. A 1.7 litre capacity lets you make up to 7 drinks in one go, so you can easily accommodate all your friends and family. The 1500-watt heating element delivers a powerful performance that gives you rapid boiling, and the concealed design protects it from limescale. There's no need to wait to make your much-needed drink with boiled water in no time at all. With a helpful removable anti-scale filter, your water is kept clean and this Tefal kettle lasts longer.